This is the Martindale 2051 folding machine, and I wanted to talk to you about the fold rollers. If you let this machine sit for a long period of time, say a few months, then it is possible that the rubber will develop little flat spots, and so when you run it you'll hear just a very slight thumping noise. Now this thumping noise will go away after you run it for a little while. What you can do is just hold the stop button to go into diagnostics and then select number 4, and then when you run the machine you just push run, and then push it again to stop it. But you can just let that run for a little bit and that'll help smooth out that thumping noise. It doesn't take too long for that to run out. On this machine it had a little bit of thumping noise because it had been sitting in the warehouse for a little while, but it went away very quickly. So I really can't even show you how that sounds now because it's gone. So yeah, it's really not a concern if you do have that thumping noise, and plus when you start folding it is much louder. It's loud. The folding sound is louder than any thumping noise you would hear. You wouldn't even hear it at all when you're folding. If you do want to run this machine and you think it's too loud, you can slow it down by just pushing the speed button and then using your up and down arrow to lower the speed. You can go down. Normally I run it 100%, and which is about 15,000 sheets per hour, and you can bring it down to 20%. So that'll reduce the sound and the speed quite a bit. So if you need any additional assistance or questions you have, you can call tech support at 800-225-5644.